Welcome to MasterMind YouTube channel. A lot of our friends wanted to open a stock market account. In other words, we call it a CDS account. So our MasterMind team thought that we should help you to open a CDS account, and that account can be done online very easily. It takes just less than 5 minutes. So we have invited one of our team members to help you out in opening a stock market account online. So all the best to you.
Hi, welcome to MasterMind YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you how to create a CDS account with less than 5 minutes. All you need is your smartphone. Step 1. Download the CSC mobile app through Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 2. Create a MyCSC account through our services in CSC mobile app. Once you have registered on CSC mobile app, you can create your CDS account. Step 1 is to fill your personal details. Select your preferred brokering firm from the drop-down menu. Next, choose the relevant option to indicate if you are an existing account holder or not. Step 2 is to fill your residential information. Step 3 is to fill your bank account details that will be used when remitting future dividends paid by the companies you will be investing. Step 4 is your employee information. If you are employed, please fill relevant details such as occupation, name of the employer, address of the employer, office phone number, and office email address. If you are a student, retired individual, or currently unemployed, select No and fill the occupation field and make a comment providing additional information. If you are self-employed, fill the following fields such as occupation, name of the business, and address of the business. Next, select the expected value of investment per annum. Then select source of funds and fill any other relevant information if necessary and click on Next. Step 5. Fill in the politically exposed questionnaire and click on Next. Step 6 is to upload relevant documents such as capture of your selfie or an image, capture of your NIC both sides. Please note that your selfie should be clear in focus and in color, which cover your full face and shoulder. Next, select capture image to upload a proof of bank account details. This should be the first page of your passbook or an image of your bank account statement. Step 7 is to give your consent to the terms and conditions. Tick the boxes to agree with the terms and conditions for digital account opening, CDS account opening, and declaration for opening a CDS account. Tick the box with regards to the convictions and pending criminal proceedings. Carefully read the below description and only if the answer is yes, specify in the field below. Next, tick the box to give the consent to verify your details with the Department of Registration of Persons. Tick the box under Agreements between stockbroker and clients. Tick the box to agree with the client agreement. Finally, click on I agree and declare to complete your account creation. Upon submitting these details, you will receive an email confirmation with your registration, and you will be automatically directed to a suitable investment advisor of your chosen stockbrokering firm. Once your CDS account is created, you will receive another email confirmation. Now, let's start investing in Colombo Stock Exchange. All the best!